They're yelling for the Armada from the rooftops. And March 19th, Bay Cliff, Texas, Turf Wars 3 is going to be a defining moment for the Armada. You see, I hear him talking about Phoenix Kid have been looking for me since Kamisama. Well, guess what? That sounds like a tale as old as time. Because any pro wrestler worth his salt, any pro wrestler that want to test their technique, they don't want to be a cosplayer. You see my eyes, they got to come through me. They got to come through the wood chipper. They got to climb my mountain. And so, the globally traveled Phoenix Kid, my brother, you think you're going to come through and get you a one shot. You think you're going to take my title, the UPW Cruiserweight title. You think you're going to take my platform. Not going to happen, homeboy. But I tell you what will happen. You see, on March 19th, we're going to walk in there like men. And on March 19th, we're going to walk out like men. And we're going to walk out like professional wrestlers of the highest regard. But you will not leave with my title, player. You will not leave with my bargaining chip, baby. Because what's going to happen is going to be a defining definition of what the Armada means. And I'm going to see you. And we're going to represent pro wrestling. We're going to represent the thing that kept me straight when I got locked up. We're going to represent the thing that kept me straight when nobody loved me. But you not taking my title, baby. It's not happening. Because I am the dragon. I am the wood chipper. I am professional wrestling. And I am the champion. I am the champion. I am the champion. And the doors of the Coliseum will be open. I'm going to see you soon. Everything I do is for the Armada.